Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. This video will be about how you can fix your Hamster Kombat referral link not working. So if you want to invite your friends, you usually click on this invite friends button. If you want to invite a friend that is already on Telegram, you can click on the left button, which stays invite a friend. However, if you want to invite a friend that doesn't have Telegram already on his phone, you usually click on the right button to copy the referral link. However, in some cases, you see that it is not working and you get an error when you want to copy the link. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can solve this issue by following a few simple steps. So make sure to watch the video till the end, otherwise you will miss any step and you cannot reproduce this method yourself. Now, so let's get started. So the first thing what you can do is you go to the general settings of your iPhone. In the case you're using an Android phone, you go to app management, and the next step I will also show you what you can do for an Android phone. But in the case of iOS, you go to the general settings, you click on iPhone storage, and you go to the search button and you type in Telegram. So what you can see here now is we have delete app or offload app. Of course, we don't want to delete the application. However, if we click on offload app, it says that this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will reinstate your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So what this does, this will actually clear your cache storage, and this might solve your issues. So when we click on offload the app, it takes a few minutes, and then we can reinstall the app again. And you don't have to be afraid that your documents and data will be lost, because I already did this and it didn't happen, and it already clearly states it in the message. So now you can see it is done with reinstating your data. The next step what you can do is now go to the Telegram application, go to Hamster Kombat again, play in one click, go to the friends. And when you want to invite a friend that don't have Telegram, you can now click on the copy text. So you can now share a referral link to friends on each social media platform instead of only Telegram. And in the case you have an Android phone, what you can do is, instead of going to the general settings and then app storage, what you want to do in the Android settings is you go to app management. And this way you can also clear the cache storage of your Telegram application. And this is exactly the same as we did now for the iPhone. However, the functions have different names for Android. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.